Hi, Dr. Scott here, and this is the sore throat recipe. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take any kind of apple cider vinegar. It doesn't have to be Bragg's, it could be any apple cider vinegar, but it must be apple cider vinegar. And you're going to take a cup. You're going to take 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, and you're going to put it in the cup. You're going to add hot water. After you add hot water, stir it. Make sure you're not going to burn your mouth. And you're going to gargle with it. All right, gargle the whole glass, all right, one at a time, and drink it at the same time. Swallow it. If it's too strong for you, what you can do is you can take the drink and add about a teaspoon of honey to it. I've been doing this since I'm a child, and it really works. So I highly recommend this for sore throats. Tablespoon apple cider vinegar. You don't need to add honey unless you want to, and you put it in the cup of hot water. Gargle with it, swallow it. It'll change the pH to the throat, which means the environment to the throat, where the bacteria and viruses are not going to survive. It's really quite fantastic. Right? Any questions, you give us a call. Thanks.